Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Google AI Studio's Veo. So let's begin. First, go to this official website. You can look up for Google AI Studio. Click on the first option, and once in the home page, just make sure you are logged in into your account. Next, you will need to go on the left panel and click on Generate Media, and you will have something like this. Click on Veo, which says create clips and animate images using generative videos. Then you can describe your video over here or enter all of your prompts. You can even add or upload an image that will be used as a style reference. Then hit enter and run. Just take note that it might take a few minutes because this feature is actually in demand or high demand. So just be patient. You will eventually get your videos here, and they will be usually 8 seconds long for the free feature. You can also adjust the aspect ratio, resolution, frame rates, and negative prompts. So that's it. The positive for this is it is free. You can experiment, and yeah, you can experiment with lots of prompts using this feature. So I hope you found this video very helpful.